Now see, there are different methods for the preparation of acids. That is one with the reaction of non-metal oxide with water, or the direct combination of an elements, oxidation. That means by various methods we can prepare the acids. See, but these are the two methods which are generally used for the preparation of the acids. See, how? See, as you know that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So that means when we will dissolve non-metal oxide into water, what we are going to get? We are going to get acids. So just look at the board. Suppose I have CO2. I am dissolving CO2 in water. So what do I get? I will get the carbonic acid, H2CO3. That is the carbonic acid. Similarly, if I will dissolve this SO2 plus water, what I am going to get? I am going to get H2SO3, that is the sulfurous acid. And when I dissolve SO3 into water, what do I get? I get our king of chemicals, that is the sulfuric acid. So just keep in mind, when you dissolve SO2, we get H2SO3, and when we dissolve SO3, we get H2SO4. Similar kind of thing happens when you get HNO3 nitrous acid and a nitric acid. In a similar manner it occurs. So this is the method how we can just form the acids, and as you can see, these all the sulfurous, sulfuric, nitric acid, these all are the strong acids. So this is the method by which we can prepare them. Second is by the direct combination. What we are getting? This hydrogen gas plus we have bromine gas. See, this gives to form hydrobromic acid. Similarly, if I add H2 plus Cl2, what do I get? I get hydrochloric acid. So that means by the direct combination of the elements also we can get the acid. So see, these are the different methods by which we can prepare an acid, and as you know that the acids are they are forming they are just serving an important use in our life. So that means you should get to know that how these acids are actually formed.